What is going on, everybody? I need to give my car a wash. I just wanted to show y'all something real quick. This is a Hummer H1. Look how freaking nice that thing is. Beautiful. It's a 94, I think. It's got 100, actually no, it's got 98,000 miles. Big old 37-inch tires. 2 diesel gas tanks, a couple LED bars we put up there. That thing is beautiful. It's got the Detroit diesel engine in it. And then next to it we got a 2003 Dodge Cummins that is currently not running. I mean, it is running. It's actually, there's some air getting into the gas line, so it's kind of hard to start. But I gotta fix that. But anyways, guys, by the title of this video, oh man, I can't believe I'm saying this, guys, but I am gonna sell this boat. And it's not because I hate this boat. It's not because I want to sell this boat. It's not because I don't like this boat. It's because I have a big opportunity to make some money on it. If you guys have been watching me since I've been posting videos from the start, let me back this up. I bought this boat, guys, for only $1,500, and I put about $4,000 into it. And it's a 26-foot Aquasport that runs perfect. Drop something. It runs perfect, guys. I took it out last night. Excuse me. So anyways, I am gonna sell it just because there's a huge opportunity to make some money. I don't want to sell it, but you know, hey, when the money knocks, you gotta answer. And guys, don't worry, hit that subscribe button because I am gonna do this again with another boat. Trust me. And the next time I do it, we're gonna film everything. I'm gonna have my GoPro rolling, and we're just gonna totally do the whole thing again. I got my eyes on a 28-foot 28-foot Grady White. It's got twin engines on it. It's been sitting for like 8 years, so the engines probably don't run. Hopefully they're not seized. But the guy's not asking too much for it, so if the floor and the transom are solid, I'll probably buy it, and if the engines aren't seized. So we're gonna be doing this whole thing again, guys. And guys, I live in South Florida, and pretty much if you live in South Florida, everybody's got a boat. I mean, everybody's got a boat, so they're not hard to sell. I mean, from all the boats I've had over time, they sell within the first couple days when you post them on Craigslist. I've looked at boats right now, similar boats, and I can get a lot of money for this boat. I could definitely get, you know, over 10,000. I'm thinking I'm gonna put it up for sale for somewhere from 16 to 18,000. But before I do that, I'm just gonna spend a good bit of time just prepping everything, making sure it looks perfect, painting a couple spots I need paint, and then we're gonna sell this thing and we're gonna do it all over again. So guys, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button, guys. Look at this boat, man. Look at this boat and go back to my first video, how this thing used to look. This thing used to look like, I mean, this damn tree looked better than this boat. But anyways, next couple weeks, guys, we're gonna be prepping it, making sure everything looks perfect, because that first buyer that comes to look at it, I want him to buy it. I want to move on to the next project. It's just, you know, I'm ready to start another one. I like to stay busy. I kind of, I don't know, if I keep this boat, a lot of times I'm just chilling in my house, just doing nothing, waiting for jobs and stuff because I run a business. But I like to stay busy, and if I keep this boat and just use it, I'm not going to stay busy. I'm just going to keep taking it out, fishing and all this stuff. Don't get me wrong, I love fishing, but I like staying busier more. And yeah, so this has been a nice little boat flip. Hopefully we'll sell this thing for top dollar, and we'll do it all over again. So guys, I hope you like this whole journey with this boat. I mean, go look at my first video I posted on this thing. It looked terrible. So I probably have, I don't even know, I can't even tell you how many hours I have into this thing. Too many. Too freaking many. But anyways guys, I am gonna sell it, so stick around for the next couple videos because I am gonna buy another boat. I'm gonna do it all again, and this time I'm gonna actually film everything, wiring. I'm gonna film the whole thing, just so you guys know how to do it and all this stuff. So hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit the like button. It helps me out. It helps me want to keep making more videos and all this stuff. So hope you guys enjoy your day, and I'll see you next time.